Say Python class 6, Python operators. See, in this class, we will discuss important categories of Python operators, arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and identity operators. Observe Komalata. See, most of the Python operators are symbol oriented. Symbol oriented. They use computer special characters. Suppose assignment operator equals to, that is symbol, special character in computer keyboard. Next, multiplication, asterisk symbol. Next, addition, plus symbol. Greater than, less than, all are symbols. See, most of the Python operators are symbols or keyboard special characters, except some operators. Some operators are text oriented, Akila. For example, logical operators and, are, not. These are text oriented. Next, is operator is there, is not operator is there. They are identity operators. They are also text oriented. Okay. Observe Komalata. See, operators. Operators. Operators are used to perform arithmetic, or you can say mathematical. Arithmetic. Next, comparison or relational. Next, assignment. Just a minute. Assignment. Next, logical and logical operations. Logical operations. Observe Jaded definition of operations. Definition of operators. Tell me what are Python programming operators. Operators are available in almost all programming languages, not only in Python. Purpose also almost same. Syntax may vary from one language to another. Now tell me what are programming operators. Operators
Are used to perform arithmetic, comparison, assignment, and logical operations.
logical operations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more point, Sandhya. Observe this point. Operators are used to perform. Operators are used to perform operations. Operations on variables, and values. Direct values. I will provide example for this one, Akila. Observe example. What is my statement? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Variables and values. Just a minute. Suppose A equals to 10. A is identifier, variable name. Next, equals to is assignment operator. 10 is value, data, or you can say data. Okay. A equals to 10. Next, B equals to 20. Next, C equals to A into C. Next, D equals to 12 plus 34. Next, print C. print C. Just a minute. Print D. Not only displaying variable values, you can perform operations in print statements. Suppose 100 divided by 4. Next, suppose A plus B into A plus B into 7. Now tell me, identify the outputs, Sandhya. First output, print C. What is the expected?
Print C A plus B, A into B, sir.
What is the output?
So 200.
200. Good. Next, D. What is the output of D?
46.
Good. 46. Next, what is the output of last but one statement? 100 by 4. 100 by 4.
45.
35.
45.
25
Sorry,
into
sir.
4.
25, sir. Sorry. Yeah, 25.
Cool. No problem. Cool. And one more thing, it returns floating point result. So 25.0. Next,
Okay.
Akila.
210.
What is the last output, Akila?
Sir, 20 times.
Just a minute, Akila. A plus B, how much? Okay, you know A value 10, B value 20. Next 7. Before that, observe what I told. Operations are used to perform operations on variables and values. You can apply actions, operators on direct values. Observe third statement, Komalata. Operation on variables na A into B.
Yes, sir.
The transitive symbol is operator. Operator on variables. Next statement 12 plus 34. Operator on values.
Yes.
Next, last but one print statement 100 by 4. Operator on values. Next, last statement A plus B into 7. Mixed values na. Operators on variables and values, isn't it? Now, Akila, tell me what is the expected output for last statement? A value 10, B value 20, next no C value 7.
20 plus
I
10.
think 140, 150. Tell me.
150, sir.
Good. 150. Okay. Run module 150, last one. Try to understand Ismat Jadid. Did you understand Ismat Jadid, this one? Last one?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got it, sir.
See, generally, computer programs, not only Python, computer programs evaluate statements from left to right. If any high priority operator is there in right side, first it evaluates high priority operator, Komalata. See, here, first it evaluates first 2, next third one. But here high priority operator is there. See, asterisk symbol, multiplication operator is having high priority than addition operator. So first it evaluates multiplication. Next it adds. Getting the point, Sandhya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B into 7, 20 into 7, 140. Next it adds A, 150. Okay, anyhow, that is not priority process is not our criteria in this scenario. In this scenario, our criteria is operators on variables and values. Akila, I fulfilled now.
Sir.
Next, Komalata, we planned 5 categories, important categories of Python operators. First, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Now tell me, Jade, in general mathematics, what are the important mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, continue. Addition.
Multiplication.
Addition is one mathematical operation. Oh, just a minute.
Yes. So can you hear
Addition
me?
is, yes, I can hear you. Addition.
Yeah, I was saying
Next,
multiplication,
subtraction. Okay. Next,
division,
multiplication. Next,
division,
division. Next,
modulus,
modulus, Komalata. It returns remainder. It returns remainder value. Next here, division, decimal point division, Sandhya, decimal point division. Next, integer
Okay,
division
sir.
also there, division. Otherwise you can say integer division. Decimal point, general division means decimal point division. Next, integer division, modulus, it returns remainder. Any other operations, Akila, any other mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, any other mathematical operations? Okay. Exponentiation. Sandhya. Exponentiation. What is exponentiation? To the power of exponent. 10 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of 3. 10 to the power of 3 means 10 into 10 into 10,000. That is exponentiation. See, observe addition. Suppose 10 plus 5 equals to is another operator. Don't confuse. 15. This is equals to. Next, I will show Python example. 10 minus 5. 5. Next, multiplication. 10 into 5. 50. 50. Next, 10 by 5. Sandhya, 10 by 5. What is the output? Division. Division means decimal point
sir.
division na. 2.0.
Okay.
2.0. Next, integer division, Akila. Integer division. Suppose 10 by 5. It will return. Akila not responding.
Sir.
You continue, Komalata. 10 by 5. Integer division.
Sir.
Komala also not responding. Komalata.
Two, sir.
You continue. Jagged.
2, sir.
2. Just observe, Komalata. 10 by 3. Here you can differentiate. 10 by 3. What is the
150.
decimal point division? 3.3333 something. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose 10 by 3, Sandhya, 10 by 3.
I think
Integer
it's
division, Sandhya.
3.333 something.
Okay, so 3 point.
Oh,
yes.
it's only 3, sir, then.
Integer division,
3.
only 3.
Okay.
Don't
It's only 3, sir.
confuse. Only 3.
Sir.
Next, modulus operator, Akila, modulus operator, percentile symbol, 10 by 3. What is the output? It returns remainder. Akila, what is the output? 10 modulus 3.
10
Akila not
3 by
responding. 1. See, 10 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. Cancel. Next 1. 10 minus 9, 1. For example, Sandhya, 10 by 5 or 10 by 2. What is the remainder?
5
10,
minus.
pardon?
Okay. 5, sir.
What is 5? 0.
10.
Remainder.
Okay.
2 into
Okay,
5,
sir. Got it.
10. 10 cancel na.
Okay.
10
Yes,
minus
sir.
10, 0.
0.
Next,
Yes, sir.
exponentiation. 2 asterisk symbols. 3 equals to, see, 10 to the power of 3. 10 into 10 into 10. How much? 1000. See, these are the operators, Komalata. Just a minute. I will show in this one. Python editor. Suppose A equals to 10, B equals to 3. Next, print, suppose A plus B. Next,
Sir,
print,
can you explain me the module parts? Sir,
tell me.
the modulus part. Yes, sir. The modulus part, sir. I didn't.
It returns
Yeah.
remainder. 10 by 2. Can it cancel or not? 10 by 2. It will cancel now.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 10.
Mhm.
Remainder 0. Next, 10 by
Okay.
3. 3 into 3, 9. Not cancelled. 10 minus 9, 1 is remainder. Suppose
Yes, sir.
10 modulus 4. 10 modulus 4. What is the remainder?
It's 2, sir. Then.
2, good. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I got it, sir.
4 into 2, 8. 10 minus 8, 2. It is remainder. Modulus, it returns remainder. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Okay. Next, observe Jaded, A minus B. Next, A multiply B. Next, A by B. Next, A integer division. 2 forward slashes. Next, A 2 asterisk symbols. 336. Next, Akila, first one, 13. Next, 7. Next, 30. Next, 3.3333 something. Next, A by B. A by B, just 3, integer point only. Next,
Yes, sir.
last one, 1000. Observe, save the program, run modules. 13.7, 33.3333 something, 3, it is integer division, 1000. Where is modulus? Total 7 operators. Modulus. Suppose print A percentile B. Tell me, smart guided. What is the output? Last statement output?
It's 1, sir.
1. Good. Save the program, run module. Observe, left, just a minute. Observe Komalata, why it is. Observe Komalata, left side, Python program editor, or you can say Python shell, right side, result console. Okay, na? Any confusion?
Sir.
Komalata.
I'm speaking, sir.
But your voice is very low.
Sir, I think there's a message, sir, there.
There is?
I think there's a, in the chat box, there's a message. Akila,
Messages we can't read. We can't read messages. Don't type messages. See,
No,
if
sir.
I want to read messages, I need to open the chat window, reading and answering. That is very difficult process. Time taking.
he's just
So,
saying,
if
sir,
you
that
want to
we
ask
can hear
any
you.
question, just use audio only. Can you hear
He
me?
just lost the audio, so
Can
that's
you
what I'm
hear
saying, sir.
Lata, Sandhya?
I can hear you, sir. But the thing is,
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Akila, okay.
Can you hear me,
Sandhya
sir?
voice also low. She try to use headphones at least by Monday. Try to use headphones. A smart guided voice is okay. Akila voice is okay. But Lata voice, low voice. Sandhya also low. Okay, na Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay.
I'm hearing, sir. I'm able to hear. Yeah,
Okay.
it is good only, sir, from my end.
I think I'm also able to hear. Okay, sir. I'll do that, sir.
Is telling I am also able to hear Akila. Salata.
Sir.
Your voice is very
I'll-
low, Lata.
I will use the headphones on Monday, sir.
Okay, at least by Monday, next class.
Yes, sir.
Try to use
Definitely. Sure,
headphones.
sure.
See, if
Yes.
you don't have clear audio, then you cannot cope up for the program properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do that, sir.
okay, cool. At least by next class, Monday. Tomorrow holiday,
Yes.
India Sunday, US, I think
Saturday evening.
Saturday night. Tomorrow, Sunday morning, Indian Standard Time. Sunday night, Saturday night, US time, holiday. Next, we will meet day after tomorrow, Monday morning, India Standard Time. Next, Sunday night, US time. We have 6-day week, Monday to Saturday, India Standard Time. Sunday night to Friday night,
It's US time.
US time. Sunday night to Friday night. Next, Jadid, you are Bangladesh, na?
Yes, sir.
You are from Bangladesh. So, your timing, India timing almost same. Just half an hour.
Sir.
Just half an hour difference. What is your time now? My time 8:24.
It's 8:54, sir.
Okay, you are forward half an hour. Just half an hour. Okay.
Yes.
For you, Monday to Saturday morning only. Okay.
Yes.
Next, observe Akila. Is it okay, Akila? Example. Yeah. Komalata,
I can hear and view the desktop, sir.
respond.
Sir, I'm saying, I'm talking, sir.
But nobody responding. See, earlier I called
Hello.
Akila, next Sandhya, next third name Lata. Huh?
Sir, I can hear you, sir, and I'm responding as well.
But no proper. What about Akila? He didn't respond. What about Sandhya?
Unable to hear you, sir.
Sometimes, but sometimes poor timing.
Yeah, sometimes, sir.
Proper.
Sometimes there is lag. Yeah.
What about suppose Jagged? What about you?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Your voice is okay. Akila. Akila not responding. Okay. Observe Komalata. Arithmetic operators we discussed now. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, comparison operators. Jagged. Comparison operators. See, you try to use headphones at least by Monday morning.
Sir.
Indian Standard
Yes, sir.
Time, Sunday night US time. Next class, Monday morning. Then you can get a proper voice. Okay. Comparison operators are relational operators. We have 6 comparison operators. Smart Jaded equals to is assignment operator. Assignment operator Jaded. Next, one more equals to is there. Jaded.
Double equals. Yeah, there is
That
double
is
equals.
double equals to, but pronunciation same, equals to only. Generally, we don't call double equals to in programming, just equals to. Here, double equals to writing. See, writing English, pronouncing English, sometimes different. Writing double equals to, pronouncing equals to only. Whether it is single equals to or double equals to. See, double equals to means comparison operator. Okay. Observe Komalata, single equals to is assignment operator. Assignment is the another category. Comparison is our category, isn't it? Observe Sandhya, equals to. Next,
Not equals to.
not equals to, exclamation equals to, exclamation equals to. Next,
Greater than, less than.
Jaded. Next,
Then less than, greater than, equal.
greater than or equals to. Sorry. Next,
Less than equals to.
next,
Equals.
less than or equals. Less than or equals to. Observe Akila.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, Akila. These comparison operators return Boolean result, or you can say logical result, true or false. Like arithmetic operators return value based result. 13 is value, fixed value, 7 is value, 3 is value, 1000 is value. Arithmetic operators return value based result. Comparison operators and logical operators return Boolean result, or you can say logical result. That's why arithmetic operators are having high priority than other operators. Lata, why? They return value based result, exact value, no confusion. Suppose, do you have 100? Yes, yes means true. No, no means false. You may have, suppose if you say true, do you have 100 true? You may have 100 or 1000 or 1 lakh. Suppose
More than
if
100.
you say false, 99 or 90 or 10 or 0, but 10 into 7, 70, exact value. 10 plus 10 plus 15, 25, exact value. That's why
Okay, sir.
arithmetic operators are having high priority than other operators. Getting this point, Jadid? Now tell me, Jadid, why arithmetic operators are having high priority than comparison and logical operators?
Because it's a value-based result. That's why.
Arithmetic, say, improve the clarity in your description. Arithmetic operators return value-based result. Comparison and logical operators return
Only Boolean result.
logical result, true or false. That's why arithmetic operators are having high priority than comparison and logical operators. Is it okay, Sandhya? Okay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Observe Jadid, 10, 20. 10, 20. Observe, guide me, Sandhya. A equals to B. We are discussing assignment operators. Sorry,
Sir.
comparison operators. Comparison operators, or you can say relational operators. Here equals to means double equals to.
Yes,
A
sir.
equals to B. It is comparison. Now tell me, what
It
is
is
the
not
expected
equals.
output? You know A and B values, A 10,
Yeah.
B 20. What is the output?
It is not equal, sir. So
Then what is the output? Several times I told. Comparison
False.
operators return Boolean result, logical result,
true.
or you can say
Okay.
true or false.
False.
False, sir. False.
False. The false is, observe orange color. False is Python keyword, but F capital. See, all Python keywords are small letters only, except literals. We have three literals: true, false, none. None means nothing. In Java, null. True, first letter capital letter. False, first letter capital letter. None, first letter capital letter. Except these three literals, or you can say except these three keywords, all other Python keywords are small letters. Okay. Next, observe Komalata, not equals to, exclamation equals to B. A not equals to B. Tell me what is the expected output?
True, sir.
Not responding. Continue, Jadid.
True,
It's
sir.
true, sir. True. Okay.
You are telling Komalata, but sometimes your voice is not reaching. Okay. True. Why? Both are not equal. Both are not equal. Next, Sandhya. A greater than B. A greater than B.
False, sir.
Sandhya. False.
False, sir.
False. Next, A greater than or equals to B. A greater than or equals to B. This is also false.
False, sir.
It is not either greater or equal. A and B are not either greater or equal, so false. Next, print A less than B, Komalata. A less than B.
True, sir.
True. True. Next, Jadi. A less than or equals to B.
It's false, sir, because it's not equal,
A is not equals to B, but less than supporting na.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, either less than or B. If both are true, then okay. If any one is true, that is also okay.
Oh, okay.
Observe, false, true, false, false, true, true. 6 outputs in our program. Run, observe Sandhya, run module. False, true, false, false, true, true. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Observe, Jaded. This is about comparison or relational operators. Next, assignment operators, Komalata. Assignment operators. Here, assignment operators equals to. This is assignment operators. Assignment operator. Next, plus equals to. Double sign. Plus equals to. Add and assign. Add and assign. Assignment value is some value we specify. Add and assign. Next, minus equals to added. Subtract.
Subtract and assign.
Subtract and assign.
Assign.
Wait a minute. Subtract and assign. Next, multiplication symbol, asterisk symbol equals to multiply
And assign.
and assign. Next,
Division.
division equals to it is
Division and assign.
Divide and assign.
division and assign or divide and assign. Next, percentile equals to percentile
Modulus
equals
and
to,
assign.
a reminder, modulus and assign.
And assign, yeah. And
Next,
there's exponent.
double ampersand, double asterisk equals to double asterisk equals to exponent
And assign.
and assign. Exponent and assign. Next, double forward slash equals to integer just a minute. Integer division and assign. Okay now, Sandhya? Total 8 operators are there now.
Sir.
Sorry. Equals to, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, division and assign, integer division and assign, modulus and assign, exponent and assign. Observe smart Jaded. Suppose A equals to suppose x equals to, you can use A, no problem. X equals to 10. X equals to 10. Print x Komalata. Observe Komalata, in this first statement, x equals to 10. One operator is there. What is that operator?
Equal to.
Equals to, good. Next, x plus equals to 10. Observe carefully, Sandhya. X plus equals to 10. Just a minute. X plus equals to 10. Add and assign. What is the addition value? 10. Means add 10 to X. Yeah, add 10 to X value and assign that value. What is the X initial value? X initial value 10. Adding value 10. 10 plus 10, 20.
20.
Add latest value 20 to X. That is add and assign. Assignment value 10. Initial value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Assign that one. Int X. Int X. This time it is 20. 20. Sandhya. Next, X minus equals to 10, Sandhya.
Okay, sir.
Print X, Sandhya. Subtract and assign. Assigning means equals to. Subtract and assign. What is the subtraction value? 10. What is the subtraction value? 10. What is the X initial value?
It's also 10, sir.
20. Variable state latest
Oh,
value.
okay.
At this point of time, where X
It updated.
20, not initial value, my mistake. Latest value, variable state latest value. Variable, name itself saying its quality. Variable means it varies. We take latest values. Here,
Or the
at
updated
this
value,
point
yeah.
of time, latest value of X is 20. Subtraction value is 10. 20 minus 10 equals to
It's 10, sir.
10. Next, X multiply and assign 10. Multiply and assign 10, Komalata. Multiply and assign 10. What is the X value at this point of time? Last but one.
100, sir.
100, good. Just assign. Division and assign. Akila. Pardon?
Sir.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
Very low voice. Very difficult for me. Okay.
I
Next,
can hear you.
you can hear me, but I am not able to hear properly. Hear you properly, then interaction will be disturbed now. Okay. Just a minute. Last output is not added. Last output.
Is 10 to the power 10. No, sorry.
Just a minute. I will simplify this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now it's 1000, sir.
1000. Save, run module. Last one 1000. That's the floating point value. Next 1000 integer division into 10. How much last output?
Only 10, sir. Sorry, it's 100, sir. Sorry.
100.
100, yeah.
Module, 100 point. Next, any other is there? Percentile symbol is there. Percentile. Modulus assign. Suppose 10. What is the
It's zero, sir.
latest value? 100. 100 by 10.
I think it's zero, sir.
Zero.
Zero,
Zero.
zero, zero. Save the program. Run module. Observe Komalata. Last output 0 na.
Sir.
This is about assignment operators. See, we discussed 8 assignment operators, 6 comparison operators, I think 7 arithmetic operators. Next, logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to create compound conditions, or you can say, sorry, multi conditions. Observe Jaded. Logical operators are used to create compound conditions or multi conditions in computer programming, not only in Python. For example, A greater than B, that is single condition. A greater than B and A greater than C and A greater than G, etc. That is compound condition. Or you can use R. Okay. Here we have three operators, Komalata. One is and. This is logical and. This and is English and, right side and, left side and is Python and. Next, R. Logical R, Sandhya. Logical R. Next, already I told, most of the Python operators are symbol oriented, except logical operators and identity operators. Logical operators are text oriented. Not. Jaded, logical, not.
Not, sir.
Yes. Logical, not.
No.
Example. See, for these examples, I may use conditional statements. Don't focus on conditional syntax. We will discuss control flow statements in next class, Monday's class, I think. Okay, don't focus. I may use, but no guarantee. Without conditions also, we can. Observe x equals to true. Next, y equals to false. Y equals to false. Observe print x and y. Print x and y, Komalata. What is the output? Print x and y. Logical operators written. Boolean result only, as like comparison operators.
False, sir.
What is the output?
False.
Here AND operation na true and false. If any one is false, then output is false. Next, R. True or false. If any one is true, then result is true.
True.
Next, I am using a blank line. Next, print.
So why are you using modulus, sir, there?
Oh, sorry, not mistake only.
It should be comment, right? Yeah.
Type mistake. Yes, good observation. See, not x. What is not x? What is x value? True.
True.
It's true, sir.
Not
Yeah.
X means opposite.
True.
Not true, false.
Next, print not open one more parenthesis, X and Y. X and Y. Now observe Komalata. Last expression, not X and Y. First, this is X and Y. First, evaluate X and Y. What is X and Y?
True, sir.
False. X and
False.
Y is false. Not false means
True.
True.
not false. Negative, negation. True. Observe the last output. Save the program, run. Observe last output, true. Okay. Next, I'm using R. Just a minute. Observe this point, Sandhya. Print not off means open bracket. Of
Okay.
X or Y. First evaluate X or Y. What is X or Y?
True, sir.
True. Not true.
Not means false. False, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Observe false, true, false. 5
Sir?
outputs in this program. Any problem, Jaded?
So sometimes your voice is coming very low, sir. I don't know if it is me or.
I think I'm using high-speed internet connection. What about you, Lata? Are you getting any fluctuation from my voice?
Yes, sir.
What about you, Satya?
Even now, sir, it's coming very low.
Satya,
Yeah, sometimes.
I think
Yes, sir.
problem
Even me too,
with,
sir. Sometimes it is very low.
I think problem with Joho meeting today. What about the last 5 classes?
There was no problem, sir. I didn't face any problem before, sir.
Only today, sir.
Only today, sir.
Only
Today only.
I think today problem from my side means I am using high speed internet connection and high configured computer. But problem maybe Joe meeting side, I will check it. I think your voice also Lona sometimes that is also from meeting session side, I think. Okay, anyhow, you also try to check
Yes,
your
sir.
voice
Yeah.
devices by the next class. I will also check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. False, true, false. Run. Okay. False, true, false. Okay. I didn't use conditional statements. I will use conditional statements for logical operators in next chapter. Okay. I covered logical operators. I covered not and are. Next, we planned identity operators, Sandhya. Identity operators. Can you hear me, Sandhya?
Sir.
Can you hear me, Akila?
Yes, sir.
Identity operators. We have 2 identity operators. Is already I told some operators are text oriented. These identity operators are text oriented. Smart Jaded. Next.
Is not. Yes, is not. Yeah.
Just a minute. Suppose x equals to 100, y equals to 200. Statement added expect print x is y. Is it correct expression? Identity operators also written Boolean result. Lata. Sandhya. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Print x is y.
X is
It returns Boolean result. X
False, sir.
value 100, y value
False.
200.
false, sir.
False. Next. Print x is not y. X is not y. Yes, x is not y. 2. Save. Run module. Got it?
Yes, sir. I think there's a problem,
Okay.
sir. Sometimes it's getting
Today,
disconnected.
today we are facing problem. We will check.
Yeah, I think it's from the Zoho meeting, sir.
I will also check Zoho meeting. Important categories we discussed: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical
And
and identity operators.
identity
Next,
operators.
tomorrow, Sunday, India Sunday holiday means US Saturday night. We will meet on Monday morning, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, I will start next chapter. Important chapter. Just observe 2 minutes. I will start next chapter. Python control flow. Python control flow. You take any programming language, Sandhya. We have 3 types of control flow statements. 3 types of control
Yes,
flow
sir.
statements, or you can say flow control statements. What are they? Any idea? One is Sandhya.
Sir. Yes,
We
sir.
have 3 types of control flow statements in computer programming. In Python also 3 types of flow control statements. One is decision making statements, or you can say conditional statements.
Yes, sir.
Conditional statements. Next, continue Sandhya. Next, loop statements.
Yes, sir.
Loops, yeah.
Loop statements. Next,
And branching statement, the last one.
yes, branching statements. Branching statements. Okay. We have only one conditional statement, but different structures available, different blocks of code, and different types of usage available in conditional statements. But what are the code blocks in conditional statements? If is one code block, else is one code block. Next, elif in Java, else if. Here elif. Next, we have two loop statements in Python, but in Java we have 4 loops. For loop. Tell me, Jadid, In Java, we have 4 loops: for loop,
While loop,
while loop,
do
do
while,
while loop, and enhanced
And-
for loop.
enhanced for loop. Yeah.
Enhanced for loop. Here, for loop and while loop. For and while. Next,
While,
we
yeah.
have three branching statements in Python. In Java also same, I think. Break,
Continue
continue,
and return.
and
Return.
return. See, this is about Python control flow statements. This chapter takes nearly 2 classes, 2 hours, Monday and Tuesday Indian Standard Time. Okay, now I am going to close the today's session. Akila, confirm one by one. Any queries regarding this today's class? Okay, Akila not responding. Lata,
No queries, sir. Thank you so very much, sir, for
Okay,
your.
next
Thank you,
Sandhya.
No, sir. No queries, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Jadid.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will meet on Monday, day after tomorrow. Thank you.